Hey guys, Brony General here with a quick little video, and as you can see, this is Discord, but it's on my Win2K machine, and you can tell because it's two giant CRT monitors, and because, well, the UI is obviously the best UI that Microsoft ever made. But what I came here to tell you guys is how to run any modern program, and I mean any modern program, on any operating system. I would say back Windows 95, sort of. So this is a huge cheat, and you need two computers to do it, one with at least Windows XP on it, and one that's the legacy OS of your choice. You're going to want to download TeamViewer, because this is why it's a huge cheat. You're not really running it, you're just running TeamViewer. But as you can see, well, you probably can't see because low resolution video, this is TeamViewer right here. This is not really Discord as a program, it's Discord, it's TeamViewer on the machine under my desk. And if you look here, I can obviously minimize Discord, and it's my Win7 machine's desktop. And I can, as you can see, so it's Windows 7. But with this little hack, it basically allows me to run any program. I'm running Discord right now. If it won't run on Windows 2000, it'll run on Windows 7 or Windows 10 or whatever this modern machine that you build is. And you know, it all sort of is emulating it through Windows Legacy, which I'm using 2000 because that's what's on my main rig. But you could do this with Windows NT 4, Windows 98, Windows 95, Windows ME, any legacy version of Windows. So yeah, obviously it won't run full frame, it won't run, you know, ultra super quickly, because that's just not the way TeamViewer works. It's kind of slow. But I mean, as long as it's just programs like, say, Discord, or browsing the, you know, modern internet browser like Chrome or Firefox, modern Fox, you know, you shouldn't have any problems with it. So if you want to, if you're hell bent on using nothing but an old rig like I am, this is the way to do it. Even when my browser is too old to be used, I'll just use TeamViewer to run my Firefox kind of on my rig. So that was just a little short video showing you this awesome little hack to run any modern program on a legacy version of Windows. And by the way, you will have to download an older version of TeamViewer. I'm using 6, because that's the version that works on Win2K. But for 98 and 95, I believe TeamViewer 4. So an NT4, I think, runs 6. So, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and have fun running your legacy computers.